is Julie, and I'm a children's guide at Anythink Right Farms. Since we're not doing programs at the library right now for your little ones, we still wanted to reach out with things you can do at home to build those brains. If your mailbox is anything like mine, it is sometimes filled with paper. Grocery ads, magazines I never subscribed to, and a whole lot of junk mail. Sometimes I take this all right to the recycling bin, but I've got some ideas. Come with me. If you have a baby at home, simply give them some newspaper for a sensory experience. Let them kick at it with those chunky baby feet or crush it in their claws. Activities like this help your child explore their senses, and we want our kids to grow up curious about their world. It will help them gain knowledge for the rest of their lives. Is your child starting to recognize colors or letters? Send them on a scavenger hunt throughout your mail. Have them cut out colors and then create a rainbow together. Wow! Or do some letter recognition work, a fundamental part of learning how to read. And have your kid look for the letters that make up their name. Oh, found one. Junk mail is a great supply for process art. That's art that celebrates discovery and doesn't have an end product in mind. Simply give your kids some supplies and let them have fun. Who knows what you'll end up with? My daughter is 4 years old, so we work a lot on her fine motor skills because that's what she needs to write with a pencil or use scissors. So today, I'm setting up a baby hair salon. Not only will she get to work on her scissor skills, but we'll be doing some dramatic play together. And that builds all sorts of things like communication, problem solving, and imagination. Just be sure your kid knows that this is pretend and only grown-ups should cut real hair. Well, that's it from me. I hope you have some fun exploring paper in new ways together. Keep an eye out for more videos just like this one all summer long. Stay curious, be safe, and until next time,